Let's talk about crutches. Here today with elite athlete Jessie Graff. Recently had surgery, and we're talking about her journey using crutches. So we're going to tell you about the good, and we're going to tell you about the bad. So let's show them, Jess.
All right. Well, first we want to make sure that they're sized correctly for you. So I want to adjust this bar to make sure it's the right distance down my arm. So it's hitting mid bicep, mid tricep.
Exactly right.
I want about 3 fingers of space between the top and my armpit.
Correct.
So that when I keep a slight bend in my arms, you know, I don't want my elbows locked out, but I don't want to be resting on my armpit.
This we don't want. We don't want what we call the lazy walk, because that doesn't feel good, Jess. I'm sure you can talk about that.
Yeah, I mean, it can cause nerve damage in your armpit. You've got all kinds of nerves in there.
That is correct.
So I want to use my arm strength. I'm going to get some great triceps pushing down on that handle. Great for my shoulder stability. So I'm going to keep my arms straightish. Place the crutches 2 feet in front of me, maybe one step length.
Absolutely.
If I were going to take a step right where I would put my foot,
that's what
the crutches are my second foot.
Exactly.
Step through. I want the crutches just wide enough to clear my hips, maybe an inch wider than my hips. Place them down.
Yes.
And crutch. If the crutches are too high, it's pretty common that you can't bring your crutches through, so you end up winging them around,
right,
crashing into lots of walls.
Absolutely.
So again, we want good tall posture, pushing down with my serratus anterior.
Yes, correct. And not out.
Right, not out. There, you could slip that way.
Right, no winging.
Right. So we don't want to be doing this.
No, we don't want that. No, we don't want that.
We want this, nice and tall.
That's correct. That's correct.
One of the things that'll help me heal a lot faster and have a lot less pain is I don't want to have my leg down.
Right.
As much as possible, we want it elevated.
Absolutely.
And sometimes you're moving around the world.
Absolutely.
And you don't have anything to put your leg on.
That's correct.
So I like to use my healthy leg and my one crutch to stabilize. Hook that knee right there.
Elevate it. That's what you want. Decrease swelling, decrease the edema, and of course, get you moving faster. We'll see you soon. This is Dr. Levi, elite athlete Jessie Graff. If this video was very helpful to you, and I hope it was, be sure to check out our other videos that will also help you to be healthy and fit.